What are you guys doing to that?
We're putting up the wallpaper. Look, we have to cut it around the shower.
During that.
Hey guys, welcome back to At Home with Karsyn. I'm Karsyn DuPree and this is episode 3. We are sharing the bathroom renovation today and how everything turned out. I'm so excited to show you the entire journey. This was so fun. I love being able to pick out the new hardware, the new paint colors, and you just have to stick around and see how it goes. In episode 1, I talked about all of my sore spots with the bathroom and what we wanted to change moving forward and kind of like the general direction that we were thinking. So a few things have changed since then and I've kind of embraced more of a funky, colorful vibe for this bathroom. The Visi changed a little bit. We're incorporating some color and we're gonna throw some wallpaper up on the wall. So it's definitely different than the first like rough vision that I had, and I'm so excited with the way that things are looking. So without further ado, let's dive right in. In an exciting turn of events, Colin has decided to get started demoing the upper cabinetry today. So, I'm very excited. I'm super excited. All right, you upper cabinets. You've had your run, 70 years of it. It's time for something new. We are taking down the existing fixture. The mirror is stuck in the grout. All right, Colin's in the house with the fart fan. He bought this today and he bought some drywall stuff. So this is where we're at right now. It's giving cardboard. It's ugly. This is one of the original cast iron pipes, 70-year-old pipe right there. And for the most part, this all looks pretty good. I was kind of nervous it was gonna look nasty or we were gonna find like water damage or something, and we're looking good. We're measuring where the sconces are gonna be, and we just decided to put them in the center, obviously, a few inches down from the top of the mirror. So exciting. Basically, we got the mirror out. He installed the little sconce boxes for when the sconces arrive on Thursday, and now he's taping and mudding after he patched up the drywall. So that's what's going on. I'm gonna flip it and show it to you. What's up, guys? I'm sitting with Dove. Just a little update on the bathroom. Yesterday I spent hours and hours and hours looking at like materials and stuff online, looking for like the best priced arched mirror, one that would like fit the space because it's like a weird 28 inches across, and the closest I could come to that was 26 inches in an arch mirror online. So I ordered the mirror, I ordered the sconces. Oh my gosh, you're gonna be so upset with me. I ended up scratching the checkerboard DIY sconce idea. Whoa. And I was nervous it would just take me too much time. I went ahead and ordered some sconces. I ordered a ceramic pleated sconce for each side. She really wants to talk. I also got in touch with one of my favorite wallpaper companies. So yeah, I think we're gonna do a wallpaper in there. I have this theory that I can fix the holes in the tile by covering them with hooks and getting rid of those outdated towel racks. I also ordered the hardware for the vanity. I went ahead and went with a half circle, a gold half circle, and I hope that I like it. I had it in my last house and I hope that I still like it, but if not, then we will see and we can swap it out. That's a lot of updates, but that's where we're at, and I should be getting the first round of shipments tomorrow. Oh, I also ordered a checkerboard cotton rug from Urban Outfitters. So I'm just like thinking, like I was looking at bath mats and I was like, I may as well just go ahead and get just like a cotton rug, so that way it's easy to clean and it absorbs some water. So we'll just see how that goes. So those are the updates. I will check in with you tomorrow when we get our first shipment of stuff. So pay no attention to the mess of our room, but our mirror got here. This is the new mirror, this is the old mirror. So it is a little bit smaller, but it's beautiful. It's just this beautiful like arch. Don't look at the laundry, you guys. Old arch mirror. I did get it from Amazon. It was like 150 bucks. We have our new towel hooks. So I'm just gonna, my plan is to put these over the existing tile holes. and attach them there from the old tile or the old towel racks that made holes in the tile. These will cover that. The faucet is here as well, and it just matches everything else. It's basically what's already in there, but in a brass color. Can't forget the drain. As far as hardware goes, I went ahead and got these brass half circles that I had from my old house too, and I really liked them there, but I am gonna send them back because I don't like them. I think I want to do more of like a handle, just like a plain brass handle. Also, these are just like way too yellow. I don't know why it's not focusing, but they're just a little too yellow for me. I want something a little bit more low profile. Okay, so the sconces just arrived today. I am in love with them. I'm kind of so happy that I didn't end up doing a DIY just because I don't really have the mental capacity for it. So yeah, I went ahead and bought these. They were about $70 a piece, and I'm in love with them. Hey guys, I'm reporting from my bedroom. My bathroom is right there. There's the wizard himself, and a lot has changed since my last update, even though it's only been like 24 hours or something, but I'm gonna show you what has changed. Colin today has been refacing the cabinets, which is so exciting. It's kind of a mess in here, but I think that it's gonna make such a big difference. That way we don't have all of this old buildup of paint, and we'll have something clean and fresh that we can paint whatever we want. We are gonna take the mirror back down, but just for effect. The mirror is mounted. We have one of the sconces up. We have the new faucet installed. We have the new faces on the cabinet. The doors are still right here because we're gonna give them another coat of paint. The walls are primed and ready for wallpaper. And the fart fan is installed. The sad thing is the other sconce, unfortunately, is shattered. So we are gonna have to get a replacement from the company, but so far I think things are looking really good. Okay, so here's the moment of truth. Here's the color. Retro Pink by Bear. All right, let's see. Oh my God, it's so cool. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, I think it's gonna look great. This is kind of what I'm thinking. I think that'll look good. Okay, so I just walked in to see the progress, and guys, I am so obsessed. I gasped out loud. I just really love how the knobs turned out. I love the way that it looks. I feel like it's equal parts funky, which I feel like the funkiness matches the vibe of this house, like the 50s with all their funky tile everywhere. Like, let's just match the funky vibes. Yeah, so we did end up covering up the holes in the wall from the old towel rack with these little hooks, and we also put some over here as well. And it looks like there's a random amount, but that's just because that's how many holes were in the tile. And once there's like towels hanging on them, I think that it will look just fine. Hopefully we can get the broken sconce replaced. I already ordered the replacement, and get the wallpaper in, and then we will be in business. Good morning, guys. So it is wallpaper day. I'm so tired. I had friends over until late last night, which is a rarity, but she is social. She is emerging. She has children, but her life is not over. Like, that is the vibe. And wallpaper is going up today. Colin is at Sherwin-Williams right now getting the proper paste. With the paste. He's back with the paste. No judgment for the way my bed looks, but Colin has laid out all the panels on the bed. And it's a really thick, like, vinyl material. Shout out to Murals Your Way. Bridget, she's my contact at Murals Your Way, and she said that this is the kind that you want to do in the bathroom. It's a little bit more water resistant, and the proper paste we're supposed to get, she also recommended for the bathroom. Okay, wallpaper progress. Colin said that he had run into a few issues, but I think it looks great.
What are you guys doing to that?
We're putting up the wallpaper. Look, we have to cut it around the shower. Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you the final reveal of the bathroom. I can't believe it. I mean, I literally can't believe it. Okay, so here's this space. I'm so proud with how everything turned out. We got rid of the upper cabinetry. We installed this beautiful wallpaper by Murals Your Way. I'm obsessed with this wallpaper. I think that it tones down the tile. Everything just kind of looks very monochromatic, cohesive. Here, they look so cute whenever they're on. It's like a really beautiful amber light, especially at night. And don't worry, we now have a shower light and a fan that works, a fart fan. The shower door is gone. It's been replaced with a shower curtain, which I would love to do an updated glass shower door in the future, but I really do love the way that this looks and I really don't have any complaints. The window is no longer blue. We did paint it white, so I feel like it looks really beautiful next to the wallpaper. We replaced the sink with a very similar brass version of the one that we already had, and I love it. I added this little poppy print from my mother-in-law. I had it hanging in the living room, but I think it looks super cute in here. It kind of matches the rug and the overall vibe is cute. I also added a little reed diffuser and, you know, a little ZZ plant. As you can see, we don't have storage in here. Typically we have towels hanging in here, but I felt like it looked a little chaotic for the video, so I did take them down. But I would like to add a shelf or two right here just to put some towels and rags and maybe some baskets of other things that we need to keep in here, like cleaning supplies. It's not completely perfect. You can still see a little bit of the holes, but for the most part, everything looks great. And we tried to space them out, you know, a little bit more evenly, so it looks like it makes sense. We also did that over here as well. If you have any questions, nope, this happened last time. No. Hey, it's me. Here's my number. No. Hopefully we can what? What can we do? What am I trying to say? I want a baby, she's distracting me. Thank you guys so much for joining me during this episode. I feel like we really brought this bathroom to life and made the tile feel very intentional and updated, and it's just so cute. I love it so much. So if you have any questions, drop them below, or you can DM me on Instagram. My Instagram name is @KarsynDuPree, and I will answer those questions in the next episode alongside some questions from the dining room episode and a little bit more details from each. So thanks so much for joining us. Make sure you follow along, subscribe, whatever you need to do so you don't miss an episode. Bye!